So guys, we are inside our sample project. Now for the vignette effect, go to Pip, Material, the black background or the color you like, tap on the edge of the layer, video end to give the layer same length as the video clip, rotate as it's a vertical video, zoom in to cover the full screen, go to mask, circular mask, tap on this button to invert the mask, resize the mask area, increase the feather, then go to effect and tap, hold, apply the dash 3 effect, and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.